Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass phone verification on your Gmail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. Now once you are inside the Gmail website, you might need to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So log in using your credentials, and once you are within your inbox page, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Manage Your Google Account. You will then be taken to your Account Manage page. From this page, click on Security, and then from the Security page, scroll down and you will find your two-step verification options. Now, in order to remove two-step verification completely so that you will not need to verify your login from your phone at any time, click on the arrow key at the right side of the two-step verification option. You will then be asked to enter your account password. Just type in your account password and then click on the next button. And now you will be allowed to change the options to turn your two-step verification off. Just click on the turn off button and then you might need to provide the verification code sent to your phone to completely turn off two-step verification. After entering the code, the two-step verification will be turned off and you will not need to verify your login from your phone in the future, and you can simply log in using your password. And there you have it. That is how you can bypass phone verification on your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.